Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare minced meat stew, and the ingredients that I'll be using are minced meat, half a kilogram, green peas, I've already boiled them, carrots, onions, tomatoes, green capsicum, coriander, some cooking oil, garlic, ginger, and then the spices that I'll be using today are curry powder, mixed spices, and Royco. So guys, let's start cooking. Before we start cooking, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, share with your friends, and for those who have subscribed, thank you so much and God bless you. So let's start. I'll put some little oil on the pan. Then I'll add the minced meat. I'll first fry the minced meat. So you make sure you stir the minced meat so that they loosen up. They don't zisikuwe na chunks, zisikuwe na machunk kubwa kubwa. That's the reason why I first cook the minced meat alone, so that it becomes loose. I don't like the big chunks. And then by doing this, it's also a way of cooking the meat, so that when you start adding the other ingredients, inaiva tu vizuri kabisa. So the onions are ready. What I'll add is the garlic and ginger. Stir again. At this point, I'll add the green peas, which are boiled, but they are not hazijaiva. Ni ile tu niliziboil tu kidogo, so I'll add them here ndio ziendelee na kuiva. I'll add some mafuta kidogo. Yes. Remember, I had put a little so that the minced meat won't burn. Add capsicum, tomatoes, and mix again. At this point, I'll add some salt, some water, we have some little water. Then I will leave it to cook. I'll cover it, leave it to cook, and then we'll come back and see how it is. So guys, we are going to stir. You see the tomatoes are cooked now. While we stir, I'll add the carrots. Remember, we have carrots. I'll add the carrots. I like my carrots crunchy, so I don't like overcooking them. So I'll stir. Increase some fire. So I'll add tomato paste. I forgot to say that I have tomato paste. So at this point, I'll add the tomato paste. So at this point now I add the curry powder, the mixed spices, and then I'll add the Royco cubes. I'll crush this is a dish you can prepare in 5 to 10 minutes. Doesn't take a lot of time. It's among my simple stew that I make. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. For my loyal subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. And I know we can make it. So, guys, help me. Oh. So I've put some water to make some stew. Remember, we are making minced meat stew. So lazima ikuwe na tumaji maji lazima ikuwe, lakini sio maji mengi, kiasi tu. So we let it boil for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm serving this minced meat with some rice. I'll add the coriander just to garnish. Just to garnish. Also, another tip when frying the minced meat, you can fry the minced meat with the coriander stems. Yes, coriander stems, I said that. Then you add the onions and then the other ingredients. Then later you garnish with the coriander leaves. But me, I like the crunchiness of the stems. So huwa naziweka wapi? Mwisho. And our stew is ready. It's ready, guys. It's ready. It's so ready. So guys, this is the final dish. Minced meat stew served with rice. Minced meat stew served with rice. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like my videos, comment, share, and God will bless you. For those who have subscribed, may God bless you, bless you, bless you. For today, thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.